Transformers HVAC and Home Services, LLC, your trusted partner in HVAC and home services in Glen Burnie, Maryland, with 11 years of experience. We specialize in a comprehensive range of services, including smart thermostat installation, residential air conditioning service, ventilation system maintenance, HVAC maintenance, air conditioning systems, HVAC duct repair and replacement, HVAC installation and repair, heat pump installation and repair, residential plumbing service, siding installation, and more. At Transformers HVAC and Home Services, LLC, we take pride in using high-quality materials and providing precise workmanship, ensuring each project meets the highest standards of quality and design. Our skilled team blends traditional techniques with modern innovations to create reliable and efficient solutions. Contact us today at 443-905-9088 to schedule your consultation. Let us help you enhance the comfort and efficiency of your space.